Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure your iPhone is updated and CarPlay is enabled. Install YouTube Music and sign into your Google account so your library and playlists sync. YouTube Music is the simple, supported way to get YouTube audio into CarPlay. Once done, Premium will remove interruptions and enable background playback. Don't spend time sideloading hacks. This method uses official apps for safety and reliability. Now plug in or pair for the first connection to begin. Once connected, open the YouTube Music icon on your CarPlay display. You can also say, "Hey Siri, play song or playlist on YouTube Music." CarPlay shows a simplified interface for safe driving. Use large buttons, browse library, or search for artists and playlists, and add items to the queue as you go. Make sure the app has permission to use cellular or Wi-Fi so streaming stays smooth. If you want voice control, link Siri to your account and use short commands for hands-free operation. Finish by mastering playback. Use the CarPlay controls for skip, pause, and queue management. Remember, video viewing should only happen when the vehicle is parked, so use the phone for visuals if needed. If YouTube Music doesn't appear, restart your iPhone, replug the USB cable, and check that CarPlay isn't restricted in screen time or settings. Make sure iOS and the app are updated. If playback stutters, swap cables or toggle wireless CarPlay. That single restart or a fresh cable fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.